Last but not the least, but after this we have a few questions lang din. Pakinggan natin ngayon from Stars Photo, Alan Sancon.
Hi, Angela.
Hello po.
Congratulations. Yan. Agree kami dun sa napakagaling mong sumagot. Talagang lahat kami nakangangay, di ba? Nakikinig sa'yo. Yeah, natuwa kami dun sa mga post ninyo ni Robin during the time nagpunta kayo ng Dubai. Di ba? Napakasaya, napakaganda ng mga experience nyo. Kung meron pang mga ibang country that you want to go na kayo ni Robin, saan nyo gustong pumunta?
Japan! We really want to go to Japan kasi we've been there once, pero it was for work. So we want to go there for like vacation po. Yan.
What particularly in Japan? Saan lugar?
I don't know the particular place, pero yung may hot springs. Yung more on the provinces, kasi kami po sa Tokyo lang kami nag-stay, which is yung city po nila, main city.
Tapos nakita din namin yung post ni Robin ng birthday mo na 12 a.m. no?
Yes,
Tapos isa sa nag-trending doon, tinawag ka na boss ni Robin. What's behind that word? Kumbaga bakit ganun yung tawagan ninyong dalawa ni Robin? Bakit boss?
Okay. I feel like I'm not supposed to say this, pero we're not always okay. Sometimes we get into arguments, and I think that's normal kasi we're two different people. So sometimes when we have arguments, sinasabi niya, sige na ako na magsasorry. Like, siya yung unang magsasorry, ganun. Tapos, he's gonna apologize and then he's gonna say, ikaw naman lagi mo susunod, boss. Bossing kita eh. Siya. So it's kind of like an endearment na rin na parang he makes sure na I'm always gonna get my way by calling me boss. And I think that's sweet. He's really nice. Yun po, he's funny.
Yeah, inaccept mo naman na ikaw ang boss. Siya yung...
Hindi! Sabi ko, hindi kaya. Siyempre kasi diba, hindi naman lagi. Pero, yun po, it's very sweet. Dati baby, tapos ngayon boss. So sabi ko, don't call me boss, baby na lang.
Yun na lang. So mas gusto mo baby kaysa boss?
Opo, feeling ko pag boss kasi inaasar niya lang ako eh. Parang dog show lang.
Yeah. Yung next question ko is, parang parang kung merong dun sa 3 scent na yan, ano yung gusto mong i-represent naman? Kung meron kang nire-represent na isa o dalawa, ano yung gusto mong parang itong scent na to, si Robin to?
Oh, it would be this, Lush and Lollipop. Yung fresh na scent. Kasi actually walang manly na scent dito. These are all neutral lang. Neutral lang siya, pero leaning more on the feminine. Pero this one, yung Lush and Lollipop, meron siyang vibes na clean and fresh. Yung notes niya kasi fruity. For me, kapag naamoy ko si Rab, very manly yung scents niya na ginagamit. Yung parang gusto mong amoyin, nakaka-addict. Pero barely, parang nai-imagine ko siyang na-wear niya to, and I could also feel na bagay sa kanya po.
So yan yung ibibigay mo sa kanya na scent.
Yeah,
sakali.
opo.
Last na lang, kumbaga isa sa mga nakikita naming future mo, you'll become a good kumbaga talk show host.
I would love that, yes.
Diba? So,
Opo.
kung magiging talk show host ka, tapos ang unang guest mo si Robin, ano yung unang-unang itatanong mo sa kanya?
Robin, kumusta ang love life?
Bakit yun?
Because I'm not a talk show host right now. I feel like that could be a few years from now. So I'm wondering kung ano ba yung love life niya by that time.
Eh, paano kung kayo na yun that time?
Eddie happy.
Okay. Thank you. Congratulations,
Thank you po.
Angela.
Okay, maraming
My wish for this year was actually granted na. I wished for a movie, a series, and I have it. And I'm so grateful for that. I don't think there is anything special with turning 24. It's just another year. But it is special because I get to spend another year with everyone. I'm still here. And I think that's a blessing. Not everyone gets to celebrate their 24th birthday, especially nowadays na rampant ang wars, and that's a tragic thing to do. I mean, that's a tragedy that not everyone gets to spend their birthdays because of political matters. What do you call that? matters that are serious that we cannot control. So for my 24th birthday, I'm very grateful to the Lord that I was given a lot of opportunities, a lot of blessings that I've only wished for years prior. I never thought that I would be here in front of you, in front of the press. I wouldn't be here without Viva, so I'm very grateful to Viva. Yan lang po.
Okay, thank you. And our second question sent in by Nikki Wang from Manila Standard is, you mentioned that scents can bring back memories. When people smell your mists, what kind of memories or emotions would you hope they instantly recall?
Hopefully, love and happiness, because when smelling these scents, it invokes happiness for me. Kasi proud ako sa mga ginawa kong scents na to. You could use it for your special occasions such as birthdays, kunyari, pwede rin kasal, pwede rin graduation. Tapos kapag naamoy mo siya, maaalala mo, ay, ganito yung scent na ginamit ko ng graduation ko. So it brings back sweet memories, and I hope it's successful in doing that once you get your hands on it.
Alright, thank you so much. Palakpakan naman natin si Angela